Hello, everyone. My name is Edin, and I'm local tour guide here in Sarajevo. Uh, I'm the owner of Meet Bosnia, and I would really like to invite you for our free walking tour here in Sarajevo. We do this tour every day at 10:30, and tour lasts for 2 hours. And in that 2 hours, actually, you will see most important sites in the old town of the city. So you will see the Old Orthodox Church, main square Baščaršija with the oldest street, City Hall of Sarajevo, Grand Mosque, Caravanserai, Bazaar, Clock Tower, Synagogue, Cathedral, and Hotel Europe and Latin Bridge. I promise you, very good tour, and it's a free tour. It's based on tips. It's not obligatory at all. So I would really be happy to see you here in my city. Remember this sign, remember Meet Bosnia, and see you here. This is our agency located on the crossroad of Gazi Husrev-bey Street and Mullah Mustafa Baševski. It's very easy to find us, and I'm looking forward. See you.